There's been a lot of buzz lately about Samsung possibly going all in on the Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy S25 series, but it looks like things might not be as clear-cut as they seemed. A recent leak coming from the Geekbench 6 benchmark for the Galaxy S25 Ultra shows some impressive scores: 3148 for single-core and 10,236 for multi-core. That's definitely high-end performance. But wait, there's a twist. It looks like Samsung hasn't completely ditched its own Exynos chips just yet. In fact, a variant of the Galaxy S25 Plus has just popped up with the Exynos 2500. This is the first time we've seen this in action, and it's sparking some interesting discussions. The European version of the Galaxy S25 Plus, model number Exynos 936B, was spotted on Geekbench, and it's packing the Exynos 2500 chip, which we know is still unannounced. According to the listing, this phone has 12 gigs of RAM and is running Android 15 with One UI 7. So, what's inside this Exynos 2500? Well, it has a 10-core CPU split into 4 clusters. The star of the show is a prime 3.3 GHz core, backed by 5 high-performance cores, 2 of them clocked at 2.75 and the others at 2.36 GHz. For efficiency, there are 2 low-power cores running at 1.8 GHz. When tested on Geekbench, it scored 2359 for single-core and 8141 for multi-core, both numbers trailing behind the Snapdragon 8 Elite and MediaTek Dimensity 9400. But hold up, before you write off the Exynos 2500, remember this is an early test. Performance tends to improve with software updates and optimizations, so the final product might be a bit snappier. The Exynos 2500 is built on Samsung's 2nd Gen 3nm process, and while there were earlier reports of low yields that could impact production, it seems like things might not be as bad as they first seemed. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There's chatter about a Galaxy S25 Slim variant that could use this Exynos 2500 as a more affordable experimental option. If that variant does well, we could see a follow-up with the S26 Slim, possibly featuring the Exynos 2500 in full force at a lower price point than the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered models. This could be a great way for Samsung to test the waters and see how the Exynos 2500 performs in the real world, especially with a more budget-friendly offering. On top of that, the Galaxy S25 series might come in some fresh new colors. According to industry insider Ross Young, we could see exclusive online-only color options like blue, black, coral red, and pink gold for the S25 and S25 Plus. Meanwhile, the S25 Ultra is expected to have some unique hues, including titanium blue or black, titanium jade green, and titanium pink or silver. These colors will likely be in limited supply, so if you want to snag one, you'll need to head to Samsung's online store. In addition to these, each model will still have a set of base colors available in retail stores, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. So, what do you think? Are you intrigued by the Exynos 2500, or would you rather stick with the Snapdragon 8 Elite? And are you feeling these new color options? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.